welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a video I have been meaning to make for literally probably like 6 months. I wanted to do this before I had Cove, and then I don't even know what happened, but here we are now. She's like almost 4 months old and the video is finally going up. I've also changed a bunch of things. You guys know I changed my mind about home decor very often, but the nursery is officially 100% done. So I'm super excited to show you guys everything. I'm also gonna link as many things possible that I can so you guys can shop the pieces if you like them. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below, and if you guys don't watch my vlog channel, we are doing Vlogmas, so I'm gonna have that linked down below too. We've been uploading every day. We did miss one day, but you know, no one's perfect, it's fine. So the link for that is down below. I think that's all for my intro, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into the video.
Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do.
Okay guys, so we are officially starting the room tour in Kobe's room. We're gonna start on this wall. I just have a little mirror right here. We're gonna try and hang this up on the wall, but it's so heavy, so we decided to just keep it on the ground. Once she's actually like bigger and it's a concern that it could fall on her, we will figure out how to hang it up. But for now, we just have it here, and she loves to look at herself, huh? So this mirror is from Target. It's super cute. It's just very heavy. And then her closet is right here, and we actually don't really have that much in her closet because I'll show you guys her dresser in a second, and that's where I keep like most of her stuff. She does have some kind of like bigger pieces hanging up in here. Okay, so her closet right now is kind of like a work in progress. I was working on organizing it and I'm not quite finished, but I'll just kind of show you guys what it looks like. So I don't really have like too many things hanging up. These are some of her little like winter bear suits, and then I also have just a couple more little like fancy pieces. I need to kind of like straighten these up, but basically these are just clothes for like bigger sizes. I usually have those like folded nicely up there. And then down here, this is a little hamper that honestly we don't use because it's easier to just like take her dirty clothes down with us and put them in the laundry room right away. But I have a little basket of stuff I need to organize, and then just a couple little baby things. I also have her Boppy right here, which we don't really use that much now, but I think we'll use it a little more when she's like kind of learning to sit up. I also have a little bunny chair, and then I actually have this light thing that I need to take out of here. But I also just recently went and got this bin so that I had somewhere to put her old clothes. So this is definitely not like anything exciting or cute, but it is what it looks like. So I'll put in a shot of that, but for the most part we just have everything in the dresser. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of the dresser. So this first drawer is where we keep her PJs. I actually just went through and kind of reorganized these, and I also just went through and put away her like newborn and 0 to 3 month clothes. So this is what she has so far for her 3 to 6 month clothes, PJs, some Christmas PJs. We usually keep like burp cloths right here, and then down in this drawer is more of her actual kind of like outfits. So I usually like to roll them so that I can just like see everything laid out. So over on this side is mostly like 2-piece sets. That's kind of my favorite thing to dress her in, especially during the winter time. And then over here I have some like leggings and stuff, and then I also have tights, and then just a couple kind of like random pieces. And then down in this bottom drawer, I don't really get into here too much. Basically it's like a bunch of extra blankets. I think there's 3 or 4 of them in here. So then moving over to this side, this drawer just has kind of like a bunch of stuff. I try to like organize this, and then we just get in here too much. It gets kind of like messed up. But these little dividers are also from IKEA. Same for the ones in there. But this is where I have her little like bows and her headbands and stuff. And then this is like little ointment, and I don't even really know what this is. Like a little brush, nail file. But I have a bunch of wipes right here. And then this is where I keep her little shoes and her socks. I actually need to probably get her some more socks. I just put away her little like newborn ones, so I only have like 3 pairs of normal socks, and then I also have these little cute ones that my friend got for her in Ireland. I love these little booties. These are perfect because they just are super easy to put on, and they literally go with everything. So I have those in here, and then I also have these blocks that Luma has eaten, if you can tell. But I usually will take her like monthly pictures with these. I don't know where they're from because I got them as a gift, but I'll try to link something similar because this is just like a really cute, easy way to like take those milestone pictures. And then over here I have a bunch of her hats. This one is new and it's so cute. It's from Old Navy. I have this cute little one. Zara also has a bunch of cute hats. This is one that my mom gave to her at my gender reveal party. So I just keep those right here, and they kind of get a little bit messed up because they take up a lot of room. And then I don't use this drawer too much. This is her little baby book. I'll also link this. I have a few extra diapers and then some extra bottles too. And then I don't even honestly know what's down in this drawer. Oh yeah, this is like little things we have from Welleman's, like gripe water, iron drops, just like some medicine and stuff for when we need that. And then I also just got these cute little bibs sent to me. They're from the Saturday Baby. And then this is my little car seat cover, and this is like a little teepee cover thing for her playmat. So I don't get into those too much right now. I mostly just use like these three, but that is a tour of what's in her dresser. So then if you come over here, I have a little rocking chair, and it actually took me a long time to find this because I wanted one that was like cute and also super comfy. So I don't remember where I got it, but I'll try to put a link down below for you guys. So I like to just sit here, and this is where we read a lot of books. So I'm happy I have this in here. I didn't actually really use it for like nursing her or anything. Like every once in a while I do, but we more just use it to kind of like read stories. So I also have these little like IKEA puff things in here that are super cute. Not very practical, mostly just for looks, but they go with the theme of the room. And then up on the wall right here, I have a little print that says Peachy, and you guys remember before she was born, so many people thought her name was gonna be Peach because of that print, but her name is not Peach. I just like the print. It's from Urban. I think it's sold out, but it's really cute. I actually have two of them in my house. We also have one in our room. So then along this wall, this is actually a new thing that we just added that's super cute. It's from, I'll put like the Instagram @ name on the screen, but it is the cutest little clothing rack. So I have some of her little like fancy pieces hung up. And then over in this corner over here, I have this plant that I got from Target. I love it because it is so big and tall. And then I just have these two little baskets. So one of them has her swaddles and the other one has a bunch of books and some of her toys. And then if you come over here, we have her crib, which I love because it's super cute and minimal. And we actually got it from IKEA, so it was really, really inexpensive. So I just have some cute little pillows in here. She actually does still sleep in our room. I don't know when I'm gonna move her up into her own room because I just love having her like sleep in our room. If she ever does take naps in here, we just like take everything out. But we do have some little pillows in here. And then we also have some little cuddle and kind animals. And then I also got this little mobile thing. I found this on Etsy. I think the shop is called Lollipoms, and they do like custom mobiles. So I had her put together this cute little design and we hung it up, and I think it's so cute and kind of just like completes the room. Then if you move over here, I actually just got this print. It's from the birth poster. So this is like a 1-to-1 scale of the size that Cove was when she was born. So it's really, really fun. And I also have this little rocker thing here. We use this a ton just to like set her in, or she'll like play in here if we were like cooking or something. We kind of move this like all around the house. So it's really nice. We love having this. And then also the wallpaper. We actually started off having a different wallpaper in this room, and then when I saw that the company had this one, I wanted to switch it because I felt like it was perfect. So this is from Loomwell. So basically it's like a big sticker that is non-damaging and removable. So this is also a good option for people who are renting, but they have a million different prints. It's super awesome. So I'm also gonna have that linked down below for you guys. So then over on this last wall is where we have her dresser, and I also have this cute little mirror that I got from Etsy. The dresser's from Urban Outfitters, but I also got this little basket, I think from Etsy. Honestly, I have never used this. I think I've literally used it one time just to like say that I did. But normally, even if I change her diaper in here, for whatever reason, I change her on the floor. I feel like we're always just like playing and stuff, and so it's like more convenient to just do it on the floor. So that little basket's kind of more just for looks, but it's definitely very cute. And then the other thing I have hanging up on the wall are these little like wall art pieces. These are from an Instagram shop called Mimi and Lay, and they have the cutest stuff. Then we are back over to the door, and I'll also show you guys the rugs that we have. I actually have two in here. They're layered. So the big one, I think is either from Rugs USA or Overstock. We actually have the same one in our bedroom, and then the pink one that's layered on top is actually from Urban Outfitters, and I know they have this in quite a few different colors too, so I just thought layering them was really cute. I also realized I didn't show the light, so we just barely put this light in. This is half the reason that I have not filmed this video, because I was trying to find the perfect light. So this one is from Cost Plus World Market, and it's really, really cute and also inexpensive, but honestly as a light, it's only one light bulb, so at night it's like a little bit dark, but it definitely still works. Like, it's light and it's fine and you can see. It's cute, but I do wish it had like another light bulb in there just so it was a little bit brighter. I also realized as I'm editing this video that I did not film an outro when I sat down to film my intro. So here I am a few days later in my PJs, but I just wanted to do a little outro and say that I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm so happy that I finally posted it. I've literally been meaning to do this for so many months, so I'm very happy that it's finally done and up. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what's in her room and kind of how I organize everything, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.